How much are temperature variations costing you? We find the best way to see the cost of temperature variations is to measure and correlate. We often talk about variabilities of temperature from day to day, season to season as being an added cost to your production. And at this point, you may be asking yourself, how much are these variations costing me? If you keep good metrics, it's probably easier than it sounds, because really all you have to do is measure and correlate the data to your quality and your coating usage. The next question you're asking is, where should I measure? Well, a good place to start is to measure the substrate temperature, measure the temperature of the material in your tank, and then measure the material at its dispense point. Once you have that data, calculate it. Get some help from finance to quantify the information and find out if and how much money the scrap and the rework is costing you. Once you have that data, calculate it. Get some help quantifying the information. Then finally ask yourself, do you see more quality issues when the temperature is hotter, or do you see more quality issues when the temperature is colder? And that's it.